Maharishi, this morning you spoke very briefly about unity. And I was wondering if you would explain about unity. And I was wondering if you would explain unity.
Beautiful golden flower. But if we put it to analysis, what we find is every fiber of this is nothing but colorless sap. Beautiful light green stem. If we put to analysis, every fiber of this will be nothing but colorless sap. All the various things will be found nothing but colorless sap. All the various colors. Now, on the surface, it is beautiful golden color. Underneath, colorless sap. This we say when we don't appreciate the colorless on the color. We only see yellow, don't see the colorless on the surface. But because every fiber of this is nothing but the colorless sap, therefore, the colorless sap is even on the surface. It's not only at the depth, it is also on the surface. This is the reality of this. That even though we don't see the colorless sap, we see only the golden color. But the reality of all the golden color is that even when we see it golden, the colorless is there even on the surface and even at the depth. When our vision is dominated by the golden, then we don't comprehend the colorless. But if our vision is cultured enough or refined enough to cognize the reality of this golden color, it will cognize golden color and colorless sap both on the surface of this, because that is the reality. The petal is nothing but colorless sap through and through, on the surface and at the depth. But we see only the yellow because our vision is lacking in its merit. The reality is that there is the gold, there is the colorless, and both at the same time on the surface and both at the same time at the depth. This is the reality. Our vision comprehends partial reality of this. It only sees the yellow. It doesn't comprehend the colorless. And this means our vision is lacking in merit. It's not fully developed vision. This is all that it can mean. If we can culture our vision in the value of the colorless sap, we will be able to comprehend the gold and the colorless at the same time everywhere.